there's some good news and there's some bad news. The bad news is this: summer's over half done. The good news is there's still like 3 weeks to go. There's a few things that I haven't done yet that I really want to do this summer. So today I'm going to do just a couple more of those things. So I finished skimboarding early today, partly because the tide was higher than I expected when I came here, but partly because there was this lady who came up to me and just freaked out that I was filming on the beach. I've been learning some lessons as I've been in this YouTube journey, and one of those lessons is always ask permission before you film anybody. Now, it's something I knew when I started, and so I've asked permission all the time. I'm especially careful not to record kids, and if there's something interesting like the kids who were skimboarding earlier, I ask their parents first and get that permission. It's just common courtesy. But some people, they are not happy. They don't want to be on the internet. They don't want to have their picture taken. And I understand that. That makes sense to me. It's a privacy question. These are some of the things I'm learning as I go along. Very cool. What flavor is it? Root beer, watermelon, and orange. How long did you wait in line for that? How long? 20 minutes? Are you gonna give me some of it?
No.
That's probably a good answer. It's a hot day. You can have it all, right?
You can get a new spoon.
There you go.
Big bite and say,
Oh yeah. Was it cold? Good. So that was skimboarding. Now I'm gonna go home, switch up the vehicles, and head up to Little Mountain to check out the view up there. Well, if there's one thing that vlogging's taught me over the last few months, is that I happen to be surrounded where I live by incredible beauty, and I take a lot of it for granted. Just even the process of vlogging on a weekly basis has got me thinking more about where I live and where I could go and what I could discover. British Columbia Tourism has got this marketing campaign going on right now that's #ExploreBC. And to me, that kind of sums up what I've been forced to do with this vlog. I've been forced to think about where do I want to go to explore in this province that I live, on this island that I live on in the Pacific Ocean. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It was a great day. Got a couple more things marked off my to-do list for the summer. And hey, by the way, if you haven't yet subscribed, take a second and just join the growing community here. It's so good to have your subscribes, your likes, all your comments. Love interacting with you guys. And hang around after the end panel here for a sweet sunset. See you later.